Okay. All right. It's ready. It's on. Now calling the matter of the people versus Keith Paul. This is case number 195230301. This is one count of no operator's license on person. This is a warrant. Appearances for the record, starting with.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ebony Robb, Special Court Case Manager.
And sir, can you state your name for the record?
Keith Paul.
Does he have an attorney or no?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I'm taking it now that you're down here that this is a specialty court matter. Could you please tell me what's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. On June 2nd, a warrant was issued with regard to Mr. Keith after him leaving a share house without the court's permission. So I made contact with his probation officer because he is a transfer case
Okay.
from Ionia County.
Okay.
And being also supervised through Michigan Department of Corrections.
Okay.
And I'm asking, Your Honor, because he does have this warrant and because he did come in on his own. However, he had to be, told to come in, as he did know that there will be a warrant issued. Mr. Paul was very fully aware that a warrant would be issued when he left. We did speak about it. Mr. Paul, stated, for the court to go ahead and do what they were going to do, because he was not going to stay in treatment. Part of that, Your Honor, Mr. Paul had been asked to leave another treatment facility due to violating their rules and regulations there. So it's been a consistent pattern of defiance, alcohol use, and not following the judge's order.
All right. This is under Judge Holmes' docket, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Paul, I know that this may not be what you want to do right now with your life, but this is what the court has ordered. And I'm going to imagine, since you got sent down from Ionia, then that you were in the MDOC. And so this is your next logical step so that you can try and get, at some point in time, the freedom you so desire. But right now is not the time where you get to have that allotted freedom. And you got to work with the people in the services. The longer you don't, and the more that you resist, it's just gonna prolong it. And I know that's not what you want, right?
No, ma'am.
I know that your family is probably in this area, right?
Yes,
So it's a blessing that you even get to be down in this area at least, right?
yes.
But you can't just do whatever you want to do.
Correct.
So this matter is not on my docket, but I've been informed that Judge Holmes will be able to handle it tomorrow afternoon. So I am going to remand you until then at the Wayne County Jail so she can be able to make her decision and her final what she wants to do on this, okay? Because I'm not familiar with the case. I can't take anything upon it. The court will make note that you did walk in and turn yourself in, but you got to watch what you say. Remember that, sir, because everything she just said, she gonna tell Judge tomorrow too, Judge Holmes, and let him know how defiant you are. Now, we want you to be the best you can be. I promise. I promise we don't want to continuously punish you, but you got to work with us. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to work with us. Mr. Paul, I want you to be back in the community as soon as you possibly can, but you got to work with the workers and you got to work with the program so that you can complete it. Okay?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna have Judge Holmes see you tomorrow afternoon. You are gonna have to go back to the Wayne County Jail at this point in time. Until that point in time, she'll make a decision on what she would like to do. Okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Your
All right,
Honor,
you're very welcome. Good luck to you, Mr. Paul. I really mean that, okay? Take care of business so you can do what you need to do.
I know.
Okay, I know you will. You just gotta focus. Stop telling people what you ain't gonna do.
Attorney Fikens, do you need to speak to the judge?
no, I just, I'm glad to